Here is a step-by-step tutorial on how to import assets in Horizon Worlds. Step number 1, find assets. There are several ways to find Horizon Worlds assets. Maybe you met somebody in Horizon who wants to give you their creations. Maybe you accidentally came across a world with free assets. In this video, I am going to focus on importing assets from the MetaCrafters Asset Store, which is essentially a huge collection of doors which lead to many asset worlds. So start by walking into the asset store, look around. There are many categories to choose from. If you are looking for an entire building, for example, go to Buildings and Architecture. Once there, start browsing different assets. Here is an entire art gallery or museum template that is free to use. Just jump in and claim this asset. Step 2. Claim the asset. This part is easy. If you want this asset, simply take a selfie and post it to the world page. Open the panel on your left wrist, click on the camera icon, take a selfie, click on Post to World Page, leave whatever comment you want. I'm just going to write a smiley face here. Click on Submit, and that's it. Soon after, the creator of this asset will give you editor access and you will be able to edit it. That usually happens within a couple of hours. But here is a very important part. Do not edit the world that you are invited to. It is important that you leave it intact. Instead, you will make a copy of it for your own use. Step 3. Create your own copy of the asset. It is important that you do not edit the asset world that you are allowed to use. Instead, make your own copy. Go to the main menu, click on the Create icon, click on New World, choose the blank world, name it whatever you want to name your own copy of the asset. I am going to type my own gallery world. Click on Create. Once you are inside your own new world, open the panel on your left wrist, go to Create, find the asset that you were given editor access to and click on Info. Here, click on the 3 dots on the right side and choose Import World. Wait a couple of seconds and soon you will see a message that reads Import World Finished. Click on OK. And that's it. Now you are inside your own world with the asset imported. Now you can do whatever you want with it.